Hey guys, now we're going to be working with PowerShell. So let's make sure we're in server SA1. We're going to click the search windows icon, which is right here. Great. And we're going to start typing in it, power. Great, power. And now we're going to click Windows PowerShell. Perfect. Now to see a list of verbs of PowerShell command names, we're going to begin typing get verb. So we're going to capital GET dash V, capital V, ERB. Just note that you have to be very specific when you are typing. Capital letters, spaces, dashes, all those are very important. All right, great. So here, now after pressing enter, we have a whole list of verbs here. Now we see here all the list of PowerShell commands here. So now, here we see a whole list of verbs that we can use. Now let's see a list of PowerShell commands. Now we're going to type in something similar, but we're going to type in get command. So capital GET dash capital COMMAND. And press enter. Wow, we have a lot of commands that we can do. So we now see that I'm right here, and I'm going to press the up arrow key, and it's going to give us the same command we just typed in before. So now we're going to backspace, back, until we get to right there, where it says COM. We're going to then type P and press the tab button. There we go. And now it just filled out for us get computer info. We're going to press enter now. And now we have all the information about the computer right there. It's pretty cool that all these little commands just can give us so much information. Now, what if we want to see all the commands that have the word info in the string? Well, we're going to type now get command. Well, you can easily just press up again and backspace, and press command, or you can type it in for yourself. But we're going to type in get command. We're going to do a space. We're going to do the star. All right, the star. So it's shift 8. And we're going to type info. And again, shift 8. There we go. And press enter. There we have it. We have all the strings that have info in it. You can see right here, info, all of them right there. That's to kind of narrow down your search if you're ever looking for a command. Now let's see about all the disks that are on this computer. So let's type something similar by saying get disk. So get dash disk. Now we see a list of all the disks. But now let's see about the disks that are online. Let's type in the following. Get dash disk. Remember your capitals. There we go. Space. And then we're going to give a straight line, which is above the enter key by holding the shift and above the enter key, that button. There we go. Space where dash object. Remember your capitals. Space is offline. Capital I S, then capital O FFLINE. Space dash EQ. Space $, false, capital FALS. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to press enter. Alrighty. And there we are. Alright, there we go. But now let's type another command here. We're going to type in the same, something similar. Get dash disk space straight sign space where dash object space IS, capital S Y system. There we go. and space dash EQ, almost there, space $ true. There you go. Space, a few more, straight line, space FL. There we go. There we go. So now we have more details about any object here. Great. Now we're going to type in one other command here. There's a lot of commands here just to get around this, but we're going to get through it. So let's press. Now you may have noticed I got a red mark, and that's because I want to show you purposely what happens if you don't write the code correctly. So I'm going to write it correctly, and you just can follow along. Okay, so just so you know that the place where it says tab, we don't type tab, we actually just press tab. So we're going to do it again. There we go. And there we are. So copy that code there and you're all set. Press enter, and there we are. So now we're going to use a variable to store a value. Here we go. We're going to type $interface, no capitals, space, equal sign, space, quotation mark, Ethernet, quotation mark, and press enter. There we go. You may not see anything happen, but it happened. So now we're going to press the arrow up, the up arrow twice. 1, 2, and you'll see the command from before. We're going to press backspace until the Ethernet word is erased. Oops. There we go. And now we're going to type delete Ethernet. Now we're going to delete Ethernet, and we're going to type in $interface, and make sure all is good. All right. Press enter, and there we are. Now we're going to write a quick code that will allow the variable to store an object. $interface space equal sign space get dash net IP. Remember your capitals, capital IPA address. There we go, and press enter. All set. Now to see a list of all the addresses for the interface, we're going to type in the following. Interfaces.ip address. There we go. And we can see now the IP addresses. Now we can see the list of addresses for all our interfaces. All right, great. Now we're just going to close PowerShell and you're all set. Great job, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.